Hi, my name's Helen Rhiannon and I've been working on my very first book, which is a book about 18 animal projects for the home. My background is mainly in design and at the moment bridal wear design, and I've been sewing for over 20 odd years, and I started a small business making anything and everything from clothing, and then started making products for the home and started running workshops to share my ideas and inspiration, which has led on to the book now, which we are talking about. My inspiration comes from anywhere and everywhere really. So when I'm working on a project for the first time, I'll be looking at the theme of the project and I'll start creating the shapes and the design detail within it. The next step then is looking for fabrics, and as soon as those fabrics catch my eye and kind of take me into the creative buzz, then that's what brings the project alive. One of the most simple projects was the mouse egg cozy. It's really small, really simple, but the fabrics and the design details on it make it really just fun, quirky, and for all abilities. A lovely project is the owl door stop. In this one it's for medium ability, where you've got a few different techniques like applique, you've also got the hand sewing, and it's just a really lovely one for the home because with the fabrics that you choose it makes it really fun, vibrant and really useful as well. The cat project is probably for the more experienced sewer. It's got a few little challenging bits to it, but it's a really lovely finished project, and you can really personalise the face at the end to make it really unique for yourself. I've just finished photographing all of the projects for my very first book, which I'm really excited to share with you all, and I hope you love them as much as I do.